Welcome back. This is John Locke, and today I'm answering a very logical, very interesting question. Question is, if you have an image that's currently ranking in Google Images, and let's say that you want to make a minor change to that image, could you make that edit, delete out the old photo, and provided that you have an image with the exact same file name, and you upload it to the same URL in the same file path, would you see no drop-offs in rankings, basically retaining the same ranking with editing an image, and the only thing that you're editing is the image? You know, in theory, that should work, provided that the edits that you're making are extremely minor. I would think that Google is going to reevaluate that photo the next time it comes across it. If you've ever, thought about, the type of image recognition that not only Google but every major tech company is working on, as far as that, it would be able to differentiate between one image and the other, even if you're changing like small portions of it, because they do scan different parts of the image and compare pixels. It's a similar technology that they already use on YouTube videos to detect duplicate videos. They scan at different points in the videos. They look at different pixels and see if they are the same. So I would imagine the same thing with the photos. They're going to rescan that image anyway. Now, if you were to make major changes to an image, let's say you had one image and it was called like image1.jpg at a certain URL, and you re-uploaded like a different image, deleted the old one out, but it was a completely different image, then it might not rank for the same search in the same position in Google Images. But every time that you re-upload something, it's going to reevaluate it. I would think that if all the metadata inside the photo is the same, and the file name's the same, file path is the same, it's on the same page that it was previously, probably not going to see a big drop-off. It'll probably just be around the same area. If you're making major changes, then that's going to be a totally different thing. My name's John Locke. My business is Lockedown Design and SEO, and I'm here every single day answering questions on search engine optimization. If you have a question, leave it in the comments below. Want to say thanks to all the new subscribers. Really appreciate it. That's it for now. I'll be here tomorrow. Till next time. Peace.